Hey everybody, welcome back. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody who has emailed me and messaged me saying, miss your videos, when you coming back, hope you're okay. Really means a lot. I appreciate that. We have moved. We're in the process of now making it a home, unboxing it and making changes. Got a list of projects that's going to go along with the new home, as is always the case for a woodworker or a handyman. But that's the kind of things that make it your home, not just a house, but your home. Well, what you see behind me is about an acre, and my shop is going to go right behind me. You'll see here it'll be about 18 by 24, and looking forward to that. They're actually going to start on that next Monday, the 21st, if all things stay on schedule, and we'll keep you abreast of that. Some of the projects that we've got coming up because of the house is this house has got less horizontal spaces than our other house did, meaning in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. So there's going to be some cabinet reconfiguration. We got one cabinet in the bathroom that's got a drawer and then a door. I'm going to take that door off and add drawers beneath it, and then use the door for drawer fronts. So that's one thing we're going to do. The laundry room doesn't have a place to hang clothes, so we're going to take part of some shelving and turn that into possibly a place to hang clothes as you take them out of the dryer. There's just a number of things, and we moved in on the 25th, I think, of April, but we've been busy. I say we moved in. We took possession of it on the 25th of April. We've been repainting, and the house is 5 years old, and the previous owner, although it was nice, their decorating taste was far different than ours. So we've changed the color in part of the living room and all of the dining room and the two bathrooms, one of the bedrooms. We've done a lot of changing. So, and I've had to hang some ceiling fans. We changed some light fixtures, the things to make it yours. And we wanted all that done before we moved in. So now we're in the process of making it our home. As I said, next week we'll start, next Monday I think it is, they'll start building the shop. We've got contractors that are going to build it, and then I'm going to finish it out on the inside with electrical and wall coverings. And by the way, that brings me a question. What would be your preference? What do you recommend that I do for walls? You see some people using pegboard, and that's what I had in my little shop. It's got its advantages and disadvantages. Some people use plywood. I like the idea of just being able to nail something up whenever I want to nail it, or maybe French cleat things. Wainscoting. Give me your comments on what you would like to see in your shop and why. And I'd like to know what would be the best thing to put on the walls of the shop to cover all the insulation and things of that nature. Be interested in it. So we'll be filming all that in future videos. I'm hoping by mid-June that we'll be back in business and doing projects again. Of which some of them I just talked about, and then back into some pen projects. I'm going to do some live edge tables. I've got a big long list. That's the problem of having all this time. I've had a lot of time to think about things. I've got some interesting pen things coming up, some new techniques for some segmenting. I think the pen makers will like that. Got some things coming up for woodworking. You woodworkers will like that. So we're going to be adding a segment called Motivational Monday, and in those sessions, they're going to be short, and they're going to be just for that. There's something on Monday morning to motivate people for the week, maybe a little inspiration. And what we're going to use, we'll use some verses out of the Bible. I've got 10 of them lessons, figured out that it's going to be woodworking and how woodworking has inspired or contributed to my spiritual life. You may or may not like this kind of thing. Feel free to watch. I really hope you do. And we'll look forward to that as well. Now, as we close, I'm going to get behind the camera and I'm going to give you a pan around the property and let you see the extent of my acre as it sits behind me. And appreciate everybody staying with me. I do appreciate all the emails, and we look forward to getting back into action in our new location. We'll start seeing some things soon, and as we pan around and you see my property, you guys stay safe, and we'll see you next time.